activity number 8, to give a suggestive demonstration of the formula for the volume of a right circular cone. Right circular cone. Some terms related to the cone. Okay, you can go through these terms related. Volume. This whole activity will be based on this fact that if you will take same radius and same height for the cylinder and for the cone, so 3 times the volume of the cone will be equal to the volume of the cylinder. So now we can see the procedure. Three sets of a cone and cylinder. We have to take the 3 sets of a cone and cylinders are required in each set. The cone and cylinder have the same height and base radius, same base and same height. Take one set of the cone and cylinder, fill the cone with sand. Pour the sand from the cone to the cylinder, fill the cone again with the sand and repeat 3 steps to fill the cylinder completely with the sand. Repeat the activity with other sets of cone. 3 times you have to fill. Observation, we will observe, or the student observe, that for each set it needs 3 pourings from the cone to fill the cylinder completely. To give a suggested demonstration for the formula, now we will do it. And before starting, we should know the meaning of cone, concept of volume and its proportionality to quantity, and formula for the volume of cylinder. Click the 2 checkbox in the 2 box to generate cone and cylinder. It is having h height, r radius, and cylinder is also having the same height and same radius. A cone is drawn and a cylinder is drawn. Next, click on cone to invert. Okay. Now we have to fill this cone with sand, and then we have to pour this sand into the cylinder, then again fill it, then again fill it. So we will see that after filling 3 times, the whole cylinder will be filled totally. That proves that 3 times the volume of cone will be equal to the volume of cylinder. Yes, this is a check. You can click on this. It will fill the sand in the cone. Okay, now click on the sand. Maybe some problem is here in the software that is not converting into the hand like this. Here, if we are coming, it is converting. So, but on the send, there is no point where. Yes, now. First, we have to tilt the cone and then click on it. Then again for the sand in the cone. Now click on this right side. Then okay. Now click on it. Similarly, again you have to fill the sand in the cone. So here 2/3 of the cylinder is filled. 1/3 of the cylinder is 2/3 is filled. Second time now. Now you can see that cylinder is fully filled. So cylinder is completely filled. Okay, so next we will prove that this volume, we will equate these two volumes to get the formula for the volume of cone. We have seen that for each set, it needs 3 pourings from the cone to fill it completely. Therefore, volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder of same height and radius. So 1/3 pi r square h. Therefore, the volume of, so we have seen that volume of cone, 3 cones, we have filled 3 times the volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. And volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This 3 will come right hand side. We get the volume of cone is equal to 1/3 the volume of cylinder. So we got the result. Now we come to the self-evaluation. Do it fast. 950. Yes, in a cone, radius is this, height is this. Calculate its volume. We have only 5 questions. Yes, someone tell me fast answers. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. 19 square into 13 into 3.14 divided by 3. No one? So choose answer this one. The volume of a cone of height 5 centimeter, base 12 centimeter. It is also given in decimal parts. So pi r square h. So 5 into 5, 25 r square. No, radius is 12. So 12 into 12 into 5 into 3.14 divided by 3. So 753.6. Height and diameter of the top. So radius is 3. So 3, 3 is 9. 9 into 15 into 22.
Diameter will be 4.5, right? Because 9 divided by 2.
Yeah, 4.5 into 4.5 into 15 into 22 divided by 21 or 318 point. Volume of a cube and volume of cone are equal. Volume of cube and volume of cone are equal. What is the formula for volume of cube? A cube. And volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So h and r. This question is not completed. Express h in terms of r. So 3a cube by pi r square, it should become 3a cube by pi r square. I think same radius, it should be same radius. So r cube 3 r by pi, 3 r by pi, yes. They have missed one thing, that they have the same, that means edge of the cube will be equal to the radius, then this should be the answer, 3 r by pi. Find the volume of a cone with radius and height. So radius is 4, so 4 into 4 into 7 into 3.14 divided by 3, so 117 point something. Why it is wrong? How many? Achha, milliliters. We have to convert into milliliters. It is given in centimeters. Okay, okay, okay. So we have to convert into milliliters. That's why it was wrong.